In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio. Subpages are a simple way to organize your site, group-related content, and create clear navigation for visitors. Think of a main services page with individual service pages tucked neatly beneath it. That's exactly what subpages do, and setting them up in Wix Studio only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening the Pages panel in your Wix Studio editor. This is where all your site's pages live and where you'll manage their structure. Inside the panel, click the plus add page button to create the page you want to use as a subpage. Give it a clear, concise name so it's obvious to your visitors and easy for you to manage later. You can start from a blank page or a preset layout. Either works because the nesting is controlled from the Pages panel. Next, decide which existing page will be the parent. This is the page you want your new page to sit under. In the Pages panel, hover over that parent page so you know exactly where you're going to place your new one. Now click and hold your new page and drag it beneath the parent page. As you drag, move it slightly to the right. Watch for a small indentation or a visual guideline that shows Wix Studio is about to nest the page. If you drag too far left, it will stay at the top level. A subtle right indent is what you're aiming for. Release your mouse and Wix Studio will place the page as a subpage. You'll see it indented beneath the parent, confirming the parent-child relationship. In many site menus, this will automatically create a drop-down under the parent page, though the exact behavior can depend on your template and menu settings. From here, you can repeat the process to add more subpages, create additional pages with plus add page, then drag each one beneath the parent and indent them slightly to nest. To reorder subpages, drag them up or down while keeping the indent in place. If you accidentally shift a subpage left, it will pop back to the top level, so keep an eye on that visual indent as you move things around. That's all there is to it. Open the Pages panel, create your page, hover over the parent, drag the new page slightly to the right beneath it, and release to nest. Repeat as needed to build a clean, intuitive structure that helps visitors find exactly what they're looking for.